Hello everyone, my name is Zoe and I'm here today to talk about the amazing Supercore product exclusively sold at WeShipFloors.com. I thought it'd be good to share with you from a design standpoint the textures and tones that appear in the design of each color. Be sure to check the other videos on our channel that detail each color we offer. Looking here at this product, it is called the SPC013 Faded Glory. You put that model number in on the website at We Ship Floors, you'll get right to it. And in my opinion, I'm going to describe these colors here. This has a visual texture to it as well as a realistic feel texture. But it has this look of a subtle whitewash effect on the surface. It's got a blend of creams, light golden tans, medium and darker grays, and a little bit of a blush brown effect. You can see these colors here again on the Faded Glory. And this is just a section we have out on the showroom at our store, which really gives you an idea of some of the details on this product. Got a little bit of knot details, some really good wood graining. And we'll send you samples of this product. You can get right on our site, WeShipFloors.com. This is a good example of what a sample is like from us. We label the back. This product does have the padding attached, so it's an all-in-one product. And here's some really great notations about the product in detail. And again, this is a really fantastic waterproof floor, great for kids, pets, high traffic, wet basements, sunrooms, and so forth. So reach out to us. We'll be glad to assist you with any questions you have. And again, this is the SPC013 Faded Glory on our website at WeShipFloors.com. Thank you.